Ah, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of The Hunt for Bronze. So this morning, trout fishing. I'm here with Murray Crabb Fishing, and we're actually going to go have a little fun. Though, would you believe it? It's, November, and jumped out of my car and the old temperature gauge said 7 degrees. 7 freaking degrees. So this whole Victorian thing, she's getting cold for me. But, slept in the car last night again. Got the same rod, same lure I used last time and had a lot of success on. But also, the end of the video, some details on the fishing shirt. So stay tuned for that as well, because that is something I'm excited about. So for now, I'll introduce you guys to Murray Crabb later, but link down below, his details there. So all that good stuff. Anyway, minute 20, that's long enough for me to talk. That's way too long. Anyway, I'm out, I'm going. We're going fish. Let's do it. Woo! Alright, time to get on the board. Already in the tree. Man, I can't even feel my fingers. Yeah. Nope.
You tied that on. You got that?
Yeah. It's an FJ. Alright, you're casting there. I can get that though. That's gettable.
I reckon I can get that. I reckon I can find mine next to yours.
Well, good thing I'm already going in. So we've got a couple of runs here at the moment. The issue is it's all pumping hard, so we've got to go up a little bit further, I think. Just find those little holes and cheeky little spots where the water's just a bit slow. But there should be something in here. Right, there's a slightly slower water just in the middle there. You can see just in front of me here, the water's just a tad slower. I've just got to be able to get a cast in there. Oh yeah, I wasn't recording.
Oh no. Good try, Ab.
Oh, cool guys. Just caught first trout of the day. Little cute brownie. Look at that. Oh, gonna give a quick release on him, but that's one. How cool is that? That's a shame because he was from a really cool spot too. Just through those trees in front of me. But that'd be right, wouldn't be recording and all. He is cold though. Look at that. Absolute, she is cold. It's a good looking fish. Alright, see you mate. On. Good fish too. Good fish. Again, I wasn't recording when I hooked this fish. Oh, you're kidding. That's a pretty round. That's actually a good fish. It's a really good fish. Big head on him. Hey, stop. That's a good looking fish. Stoked on that. Definitely stoked on that. So much.
How good catch are you?
Is that a snow?
Yeah. That's time the top of that start. Yeah.
Send it. So that is the remnants of a snowball that was just thrown at me. November. Look. What the freak? Victoria. Surely. Yep, got him. Yep. Awesome. I watched him come out and smoke it. Look at that. He's a little male. Pretty little fish. Real red. Really, really red. Look at those dots. Geez, they're a cool fish. Hey? Very, very cool fish. Send him on his way. Woo! See if I can have it. Yep, on. Woohoo! That's two. Two for in there, and he is a very, very spotty fish. Very spotty fish, much different to the last one, and real skinny too. Look at that. Different spots altogether. Boom, look at that. Yeah, so what did y'all just miss then? You saw a snag. I decided to go in for it. First step in, crutch deep. Second step in, trip, fall, face first. So currently my jumper is soaked and we've got a trout. Is that two? It's three. I landed one there and then got one here. Well, okay, while I complain about how wet I am, I'm gonna just move over to Murray Crabb because I don't actually think I've introduced him on film yet, which is a bit rude of me. I know, it is super rude. But we're gonna go over. Not a bad little oh, I almost fell in that same spot.
Spots on that.
So yeah, everyone, Murray Crabb Fishing. Don't forget to go below and follow him. So that's a little trout there.
Beautiful.
Caught from that beautiful water in there.
Straight under the sticks where he should have been.
I think they're actually swimming in pairs at the moment. I don't know.
Yeah, so I got one. I got the one just there, one just here.
Yeah, I caught two in that last snag.
Yeah.
So
what are you on now?
4.
You're on 4.
Yeah.
Man, that's awesome.
I'm wetter though, so who's a real wiener? Winner. Damn it. Yeah. So.
I got blackberried to the max. I fell through to this deep in blackberries and had to pull myself out with blackberries, and he went, I can one up that face first in the water.
Yeah, so I've gone face first. I've actually put the rain jacket on. Taken. What was that? A bit late for the rain jacket. No, I've put the rain jacket on. I've taken the jumper off, which is wet. Put the rain jacket on because what that'll do is that'll keep in that heat. It'll actually help me dry out this undershirt and warm up. So I'm going to use this to warm myself up, radiate the heat back onto my body because that water's cold. As you guys saw before, there was snow runoff a long time kind of going through this, but yeah, that is my jumper. That is the colour it's meant to be, and that is currently the colour of it. So I am very cold and wet and feeling sore and sorry for myself, but it's okay. I'll warm myself up and we'll get back to fishing. All right, first cast since my little incident. Oh, not first cast actually. It's a lie. I had a cast before and got snagged. Real fishy looking spots in here though. Yep, got him. I watched him come up and eat it and I just paused it. I was real silent.
I was like, surely, and then I'm like, oh yeah, there's just fish on the lure, yeah.
Oh, little brownie.
That's on my side, so it's my fish.
Yeah, it is yours. What are you, 5 now? Oh. I actually watched him come up, guys, and I just gave it a little pause, and he ate it. He dropped the hook from his mouth, but he hooked himself in the pectoral fin here. So, oh yeah, that's all right. Good little surgery. Look at that. Oh, bye, mate. No, yes. I believe that is ice and snow. Oh, and I fell in the water, so that shows you how cold it is. Hand colour should do that as well. I'm not having a good day on the record, guys. What was that? I wonder why. I just had a fish follow, eat this, and then jump out of the water. It was so cool, but I wasn't recording, so yeah, doesn't matter.
So, if you like going to cast and stuff, you push the button on top of your GoPro, that really helps.
Just had another follow, guys. While Murray Crabb's trying to give me shit, I just had another little follower. So, you know, as much as he's having fun making fun of me, I just had him nab at the tail a couple of times. But it looks like he is not having a bar. Yep, got him, got him, got him. Worked that, yeah, worked that fish. And yes, I am filming. Oh, got him. He ate that, or tried to eat that 3 or 4 times and missed. And then finally got him on that pontoon. Oh, awesome. Oh, that's got to have a fish in it. That is so fishy. Holy dooly. Yes, it does have a fish in it too. Yep. Got him, got him. Knew it, knew it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I knew there'd be one there. Here's a dark fish too. I've gone from that light fish to this dark little one. That is so cool. Sight cast him as well. Alright, so we got a new battery in and one more battery for this GoPro, and then I've got to go over to the other one. Yep, on. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Woo. Love it. He was where he should have been too. Getting the back treble. That's the first for today. There we go. He's a little tucker. Here, mate. There he is, right there. Just chilling. I'm getting so many follows in here. I'm getting so many follows. Yep, got him, got him, got him. Yes. Woo! He is tiny. He's a baby compared to that lure. Look at the size difference of that lure to that fish. It's just silly. Why would you eat something that big? You little psychopath. You little crazy, crazy thing. Look how small he is. Well, see ya. Yep, got him, got him, got him. Right at the feet again. Double. Double. Who wins?
Mine's about 17 centimetres.
Mine's about this big. If you didn't get that, we just had a double. How's that?
I didn't change the memory card for no footage.
Nah, well I do. So we've just got a double here. And I'm just going to unhook him straight away. Because he's a cutie. That's 9. We're almost bringing up to 10. Awesome. It's been a real productive little section actually. We've got quite a few little fish. Oh. Alright guys, that is another episode of the Hunt for Bronze done, featuring Murray Crabb Fishing. So pretty much today's trout session, we got double ditches both, so about 20 trout all up. How many did we drop?
4,000.
And 6.
And 6?
You forgot that.
Yeah, right. 4,006. Yeah, no, you're right.
Yeah. Never forget that 6. Never.
Didn't carry the 1.
Bodmass or something like that. Yeah, so pretty much the little go-to lures. What were you using there?
JD80 lip ripper.
There you go.
Those who have seen my channel will be shocked about that.
Yeah. And those who watch me all the time, which I assume is people watching this video, the little Pontoon 21 tantaliser. So that's a 70mm jointed lure. It has got some love at the moment. It is the only fish I can catch trout on, and
that's the only fish you can catch trout on. It's the only trout you catch fish on, or the only lure you can catch trout on. It's one of the 3.
I don't know, something. We'll put a little tick box down below, and you guys can vote on what you'd prefer. Yeah, okay. So it's been a long day for me. I obviously fell in the water, and I've been a bit all over the place since. But yeah. It's cold. We saw snow. We
saw snow. Yeah, I threw ice at him.
Yeah, we had a snowball fight. It was it was cute.
Yeah, there was 2 snowballs.
Yeah,
loved in last one.
But yeah, it was a good day nonetheless. A bit slow to start, but we ended up finding them and finding out what they were doing, and that was key to it. It was we were targeting those deeper pools,
deeper behind structure.
Yeah,
slow spots. The water's up. We both fished the same area 4 weeks ago.
3 weeks, yeah.
Probably twice the amount of water.
Yeah, so
big changes in a small period of time.
Yeah, so if they watch that video of yours and the video of mine about that fishing, you'll see that those pools are, like, there was heaps of fish sitting mid-river, and I was sight casting them. There was, like, any structure in the water, there was fish behind, whereas today they were flush up against that bank in those back eddies and the undercuts. Yeah. So it wasn't really a sight casting day, except that one fish which I caught, which was pretty cool. But big news as well, the huntforbronze.com.au, which is where I am now releasing these line of clothing. So we've got this shirt plus a t-shirt which will be dropped very, very soon. And if you go over, like and subscribe Murray Crabb's Fishing, you can follow his links to his apparel as well. You've got some coming out at Christmas.
Yeah, I got some more coming out soon, yeah.
Yeah, sweet. So just go and do that. That has been another episode of The Hunt for Bronze. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go out, fish and enjoy yourselves, and we are out. Let's go.